In the warm, supportive, understanding community that surrounds NAMI Austin, people get it. We know that mental illness is a disease, it's a brain disorder. And we know that the support of family and friends is vital to recovery.
As a presenter with Ending Silence, one of the biggest goals that I seek to accomplish is helping those youth feel like they're not alone in what they're going through. In my opinion, it takes a lot of strength for someone to have to admit to living with a mental health condition that's not necessarily visible to those around them.
We looked up NAMI. We went on and signed up for the family class. We were just happy because we could be real. We were able to cry. We were able to laugh at ourselves and each other. We were able to say things that you wouldn't say outside of that room with people who aren't going through what you're going through because they won't understand.
You know, I didn't want to get help. It wasn't until my parents decided to become teachers. I have a system, I have support. You never know the resources you have until you speak out and open up.
NAMI Austin is well respected and well received in our entire mental health community. All of our hospitals, mental health authorities, private agencies, and school districts. We rely on them as a major source of educators and curriculum and guidance, not only for school folks, but community folks and parents.
Well, NAMI Austin is an extraordinary resource because it's really the authentic voice of the impact of mental illness upon a family. The chronic conditions of major mental illnesses are really family illnesses. And in that regard, when families speak up with a unified voice, public officials or legislators really listen very carefully to that voice. I think embedded in that message that NAMI brings is that treatment works and that recovery is possible.
NAMI Austin's main impact on the community, first of all, is the peer support that's important, that directly help people who are living through these experiences. But second, NAMI has a role both locally and nationally to educate people and to defeat stigma around mental illness. These are brain diseases, and only because they affect behavior do they cause such a stigmatized reaction to them. NAMI helps provide that support to defeat that stigma, to help people have better access to care.
Without having discovered NAMI Austin, I think I would still be living with more shame. Being around people who are living in recovery with their mental illness and who are giving back to the community by breaking down the stigma that surrounds mental illness has been such a boost to my own ability to live with acceptance.
You know you're not alone. You know that there is a community out there for you, and you know that there are other people going through the exact same things that you're going through, and we're still here. We're still here.
I don't think I would be where I'm at now if it wasn't for NAMI. It was a tool for me to get sad of myself, to use all my struggles and turn them around for good. NAMI offered me hope. And there's no price tag on hope, and there's not enough of it in this world.